how to incorporate renewable energy and sustainable building design. Welcome to Building Knowledge 101. In this video, we look at how to optimize solar energy using architectural aluminum frames and building integrated photovoltaics versus conventional construction materials. After optimizing performance of the glazing system, project has lower energy use and is easy to offset with renewable energy. Incorporating renewable energies into a building that will help achieve zero and net positive energy is included in a number of green building certifications. Here you can see 3 of the 4 we're looking at address implementing building integrated photovoltaics. Photovoltaics can be installed either vertically or horizontally. As technology advances, the opportunity to incorporate building integrated photovoltaic panels into a project framing has become more cost-effective and more efficient. Here are examples of other strategies combining shading and photovoltaic into one solution. The goal of the shade is to block direct sunlight. Anything positioned to block direct light is also positioned to take maximum advantage of direct sunlight by integrating PV into that surface, which reduces solar heat gain and creates on-site renewable energy. A major component of this glazing system is the incorporation of integrated vertical photovoltaic glass films to the chassis of the curtain wall systems. On a project such as this, they anticipated the greatest chance of solar heat gain would be from morning or afternoon sun coming in at an angle from the east and the west, and they integrated vertical fins made from PV panels to shade the glass from the sun and generate power at the same time. That is all we have time for in this video. If you'd like to watch more of our 101 video series, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Kawneer Company, Inc.